Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to protect electronics. This prevents accidental airbag or radio faults. Next, remove the shift knob, either unscrew or pull up firmly while supporting the boot so you can access hidden fasteners. Open the console storage and take out any screws at the front and rear. These fasteners hold the trim. Once done, make sure nothing is obstructing the side panels before you attempt to pry them loose. You now work through the middle. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry up the side trim pieces so you don't mar the finish. Start at the rear, then work forward. Disconnect any switch connectors, parking brake, heated seat, auxiliary power, and label them so reassembly is foolproof. Remove the screws hidden under those panels. Once loose, lift the console slightly to reveal the main wiring harnesses. Because wiring routes under the console, go slowly and feel for clips before pulling. You're at the final steps. Disconnect the main electrical harness and the shift cable clip so the console is free to move. This prevents damaging cables. Lift the console evenly from both sides, tilting it to clear the dash and seat rails while watching for trapped clips or trim that can snag. Once removed, set the console on a protected surface. If it feels stuck, make sure you rechecked for any missed screws or connector tabs. That's the most common cause of resistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.